Hello my art viewers, welcome to my channel The Art of Inside Impressions, and we are continuing with the next process. Today we will see how to give hair effect. So first just apply a layer of charcoal powder. You can apply to 1 to 2 coats of charcoal powder. Then you need to blend evenly using brush. You can also use tissue paper, but here we have small areas, so better to use brush. So fill in completely. I'll speed up the process. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get new notifications. And I guess you heard about the challenge. So challenge is all about drawing tiger with me. So you can draw your tiger art and you can send me those pics via mail ID. I will review those arts and I'll give suggestions and tips. And I'll also upload a video on review. So I request please take up the challenge. Challenging task will always help for your growth. And coming to the art, filling completely, so don't leave any empty spaces. Use second coat to cover up patches. Make sure you blend it evenly. Take your own time and blend it. And I'll share this reference image link in my description. You can access it. Let me zoom in. We are done with charcoal powder. Now we are using pencil eraser to give few strokes to give hairy effect. And give few messy strokes using your pencil first, like uneven hair look. Use 6B or 10B pencil and give the strokes. You can see I'm giving few strokes. Do it with patience and don't be in hurry. For your convenience, I zoomed in so you can observe clearly how to give it. And repeat the process for entire black spots. So I'll speed up the process and I don't want to make a lengthy video, so I'll speed up. Take your time and give the strokes. As I'm doing time lapse video here, so the process very fast. So take your own time and do it. Here the shapes are really confusing, so observe properly before drawing. And I'm using pencil eraser to add few white spots near this eye. In this process, I'm also darkening the black spots. And if you observe, these strokes effect will work really very well. Once we are done with these unique strokes, we'll see how to draw hair in this grey spots. I'm again repeating, this is a patience process. The more time you spend on it, the better output you'll get. Here you can make few adjustments, so I'm doing it. Already 2 videos are added to playlist, so this is my third video. Please check those 2 videos to know more tips and tricks. So once you are done with this strokes, we'll go to lines. Those are lines to draw hairs. So I'm using 0.3 pencil, that is mechanical pencil, so and draw few hairy lines. So you can give strokes all over your grey spots using this mechanical pencil. This mechanical pencil works very well in giving fine lines. So add all over lines using this pencil, like fine lines. So cover up your grey spots first. And again, I'll speed up the process. You may think those fine strokes are not visible, but it is visible after applying pencil eraser. And applying pencil eraser is random process. You need to apply like strokes, tiny strokes as I'm giving. So I'll zoom in little bit. I hope now you can observe clearly how I'm doing it. So in this way, make your process completely in this grey spots. Okay? As you can clearly see how this airy effect is coming up. So those fine lines will come up and this eraser will give hairy effect. And this is the complete secret behind how to draw this airy effect. And please, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and comment below. And if you really enjoy this process, let me know. I'll make more videos on it, like tips and tricks used in artworks, etc. I hope now I can speed up the process, or let me zoom for some time. This is the most satisfying process. You can enjoy the process thoroughly. Make sure your pencil eraser edges are sharp so that it will give clear effects, or else you can use sandpaper and you can erase on it. And I'll also do a video on blending tools. So in that video I'll clearly show how I'll use pencil eraser. Once you are done with this process, we'll go for the second layer, that is to add few messy strokes again. See, I'll zoom in again so you can observe. So you can draw few messy hair in this way, to the opposite direction or somewhat in this way. You can add the second layer. So after adding that, we'll add few hair which is clearly visible in this picture. I'll again zoom in it. Just use sharp edged pencil eraser in this process. If your edges are not sharp, that will be a problem. You can also use knife or blade in order to cut your pencil eraser. As you see, I'm not using white gel pen or white pen. I'm just using pencil eraser because pencil eraser will give realistic output, whereas white gel pen will give like a glossy or shiny effect. So I'm avoiding gel pen. So if you can do it, you can do it with white pen also. If you want to use white gel pen, you can go for Uniball brand. That is quite good. So it will look in this way. Now you can give this second layer using white pencil. So that will look more effective. So I am giving second layer of white pencil strokes. Please add it slowly. Observe the places and add it slowly. Just slowly. If you feel your stroke is outside from the expected region, you can use brush and correct it. As I'm using it, so you can apply few charcoal powder and you can correct it. Using pencil eraser is easier than using white gel pen. So using pencil eraser we can correct it, and using white gel pen we can't. So use pencil eraser, and it is suggestible to use pencil eraser only. And here you can use cross hatching technique. Hold pencil slight bend towards your side and do this process. And after keen observation, I found that here the shape is missing, so I'm adding few grades like this. So you can use 6B pencil directly. This is a small region, so you can use and you can blend using brush. Actually here the both shapes are connected with the tiny line, fine line. So here you can add it. It's not a problem. So I'm adding it. You can do the same if you missed. And leave those white hairs and draw in between these white hairs. So don't cover up with these black strokes. Just observation is a great process. So after observation only we are able to trace these differences, and we are doing it. And use brush in order to blend. And I'm using white pencil as here we need to give a hairy effect. So I'll give using this pencil eraser as shown in this video. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get new notifications. Just keep your reference picture beside and make few changes as required. So here I am doing few changes because it is different from the reference image. For you people, from the beginning I am repeating the process under the eye. So I'll speed up the process. You can observe what all I did. So see this and observe it properly. Just I'm repeating the process. Apply charcoal powder and the second layer of charcoal powder, and I'm using pencil eraser to give the hairy strokes. So that is done. After that you can give the second layer of pencil eraser strokes. So that is also done. So in this way you can make it up. And now I'm going for the other part of the tiger. So this part is majorly covered in my next video, and now we are done with this part. We'll catch up in the next part, and that will be this region. So we'll cover in next coming videos. So stay tuned to my channel, and we are done with 1, 2 and 3. Hope you are enjoying this season, and if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get new notifications. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.